There we go. So I've done about 15 listings from some of the stuff that I did last night. Haven't done any parcels today. I'll do more tomorrow. Yeah, I've been resting today. My leg's feeling so much better. So that's good. But I'm going to do some mince pies now. I'm going to do some mince pies. I'm going to do some Christmas baking. Base that with that. So, I know baking. I've seen Bake Off.
Have you?
Yeah.
Have you?
I'll give you a tenner if you piss off.
Oh yeah, maybe. Well, somebody asked me for ice cream.
I did. Oh, Susan.
Hey. Sorted, yeah.
I'm cheating and I don't care. Cheat.
You cheat.
Warning, warning, cheater. I don't care.
Spoil.
Short crust pastry, all done. Ta-da! Okay, I'll put that now. Switch that back. So, ta-da! On the bases. Now I don't know whether you bake them first or part bake them. Mincemeat. And then do you put the lids on? Put that over there. What I need to do, I don't know whether to do like lattices or like little, tiny like little lids. Okay. This isn't like proper icing. Oh, that'll do, yeah. There. Ah, that's better. That's good. Perfection. There's not enough of this to hide up the mess underneath, but it's not all about mess. It's not about perfection. Unless you're on Bake Off. Which one should I have? I don't want a big one. I just want like a little. This one's like a little one, and it's the fucked up one, so I can have that. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Try my little mincy pie. That actually tastes like a mince pie. No, not that one. I think.
Very nice.
My star baker.
Very nice.
I can bake. Just don't doubt yourself if you think you can't bake, because if this idiot can, anyone can.